Hoover Dam is located on the border between Arizona and Nevada, not far from Las Vegas. That's where we are going in one sunny morning. Even before reaching our destination, from a lookout we can enjoy panoramic views of Lake Mead created by the dam. On our approach, we also admire enormous bridge spanning high above our heads, which was built in 2010 to speed up the traffic on Highway 93. A road on the top of the dam is quite famous from scenes in several movies. Hoover Dam was built between 1931 and 1936, at the time of the Great Depression. After the construction was completed, it was the largest structure in the world at that time. Power generators in the dam provide electricity to Nevada, Arizona, and California. As for Lake Mead, until today it is still the largest by volume reservoir in the United States. A trip to the Dam Museum gives us valuable information on the dam and its construction, as well as basic information on generation of electrical power. Still before heading back to Las Vegas, we crossed the bridge newly built high above the dam.